Citrix Server Online Training. Introduction to Citrix Server, a Beginner's Guide. Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Citrix Server. Whether you're new to IT infrastructure management or looking to understand how Citrix technology works, this guide will provide you with a foundational understanding of Citrix Server and its role in modern computing environments. What is Citrix Server? Citrix Server, often referred to simply as Citrix, is a virtualization solution that allows multiple users to access and use applications or desktops hosted on a centralized server. It enables remote access to these resources, making it a powerful tool for organizations that need to provide secure and efficient access to applications from various devices and locations. Key concepts. Virtualization. Citrix Server uses virtualization technology to create virtual instances of applications or desktops. These instances, known as sessions, run on a centralized server and are accessed remotely by end users. Remote access. Users can access applications and desktops hosted on Citrix Server from any location with an internet connection. This capability supports remote work, branch offices, and mobile workforce scenarios. Centralized management. IT administrators can centrally manage applications, updates, and user access permissions from the Citrix Server. This simplifies maintenance and ensures consistent user experience across the organization. User experience. Citrix Server provides a consistent user experience regardless of the device or operating system used by the end user. It supports various client devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Components of Citrix Server. Citrix Hypervisor, formerly XCN Server, the underlying virtualization platform that hosts virtual machines, VMs, running applications and desktops. Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, formerly XCN App and XCN Desktop, allows users to access applications and virtual desktops hosted on Citrix Server. It provides session management, user authentication, and resource optimization. Citrix Gateway provides secure remote access to Citrix Server resources via encrypted connections. It ensures data protection and authentication of users accessing applications remotely. Citrix Studio and Director, management consoles for configuring, monitoring, and troubleshooting Citrix Server deployments. Citrix Studio handles configuration tasks, while Citrix Director provides real-time monitoring and support tools. Benefits of Citrix Server for remote work and collaboration. Remote access. Citrix servers enable employees to access their desktops, applications, and data from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility allows for remote work scenarios without compromising on productivity or security. Centralized management. IT departments can centrally manage applications, updates, and security policies on Citrix servers. This reduces the complexity of managing multiple devices and ensures consistency across the organization. Scalability. Citrix environments are highly scalable, making it easy to add or remove users and resources as business needs evolve. This scalability is crucial for growing businesses or those with fluctuating workforce requirements. Performance. Citrix optimizes application and desktop delivery to ensure a smooth and responsive user experience, even over low bandwidth connections. This is achieved through technologies like HDX, High Definition User Experience, which adapts to network conditions to deliver the best possible performance. Security. Citrix provides robust security features such as encryption, access controls, and monitoring capabilities. Data remains centralized within the corporate network, reducing the risk of data breaches compared to distributing sensitive information across multiple endpoints. Collaboration tools. Citrix supports integration with collaboration tools such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, or Zoom. This allows teams to communicate, share documents, and collaborate effectively, enhancing productivity and teamwork. Business continuity. In case of disasters or unforeseen events, Citrix enables quick recovery and continuity of operations. Employees can access their work environments remotely, ensuring minimal disruption to business activities. Compliance. For industries with strict regulatory requirements, example healthcare, finance, Citrix helps maintain compliance by centralizing data and enforcing access controls and audit trails. Cost efficiency. Citrix can potentially reduce hardware costs as it allows organizations to repurpose existing hardware or use thin clients. It also lowers IT support costs by streamlining management and reducing the need for on-site maintenance. User experience. Citrix focuses on delivering a consistent and seamless user experience across devices and locations. This improves user satisfaction and adoption of remote work solutions within the organization. Understanding Citrix server architecture. Citrix components. Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, formerly XCN App and XCN Desktop. This is the core product that delivers virtualized applications and desktops to end users. Citrix Gateway, formerly Netscaler Gateway, provides secure remote access to Citrix virtual apps and desktops, allowing users to connect from outside the corporate network. Citrix Storefront acts as a storefront for users to access their virtual applications and desktops. It authenticates users and enumerates available resources. Citrix Delivery Controller manages the delivery of virtual applications and desktops, authenticates users, and provides brokering between clients and virtual delivery agents, VDAs. Key concepts. Virtual delivery agents, VDAs. These are virtual machines, VMs, or physical computers in the data center hosting the applications and desktops. They run on hypervisors like Citrix Hypervisor, formerly XCN Server, VMware vSphere, or Microsoft Hyper-V. Citrix Receiver, now Citrix Workspace app installed on user devices, desktops, laptops, tablets, phones. It allows users to connect to Citrix resources. Hypervisor. Citrix supports various hypervisors to host VDAs, providing flexibility in deployment. Architecture overview. Users connect to Citrix resources via Citrix Workspace app. Authentication and resource enumeration are handled by Storefront. The delivery controller communicates with VDAs through the hypervisor to deliver applications and desktops. Citrix Gateway provides secure remote access, authenticating users and managing connections. High availability and load balancing. Citrix environments typically use load balancers to distribute user connections across multiple delivery controllers and storefront servers. Redundancy is built into components like delivery controllers and storefront for high availability. Scalability. Citrix environments can scale horizontally by adding more delivery controllers, storefront servers, and VDAs as demand grows. Load balancing ensures that resources are optimally utilized and users have reliable access. Deployment options. Citrix can be deployed on-premises, in public clouds like Azure or AWS, or as a hybrid deployment. The choice of deployment affects architecture considerations such as network connectivity and security. Navigating the Citrix server interface. Logging in. Open your web browser and enter the URL provided for Citrix access. Log in with your credentials, username and password provided by your organization. Accessing applications. After logging in, you'll typically see a list of applications or desktops available to you. Click on the application or desktop icon you want to launch. This will initiate the connection to the Citrix server. Using applications or desktops. Once launched, the application or desktop will appear in a new window or tab in your web browser. Use the application or desktop as you would if it were installed directly on your computer. Navigating within applications or desktops. Inside the application or desktop session, navigate menus and perform tasks as usual. Citrix usually provides options to resize the window, toggle full screen mode, and other display settings. Logging out. To log out from your Citrix session, look for a logout button or option within the Citrix interface. Properly logging out ensures your session is securely terminated. Troubleshooting. If you encounter issues such as slow performance or disconnections, check your internet connection first. Ensure your browser is compatible with Citrix requirements and that any necessary plugins or extensions are enabled. Additional features. Depending on your organization's setup, Citrix may offer additional features like file sharing, collaboration tools, or specific configurations for different user groups. Security considerations. Follow your organization's security guidelines when accessing Citrix remotely. Ensure you are using secure connections, HTTPS, and keep your credentials confidential. Installing applications on Citrix server. Prepare the application installer. Ensure the application installer is compatible with the operating system version running on the Citrix server. Ideally, use an installer that supports silent installation, no user interaction required, for easier deployment. Access Citrix server. Log into the Citrix server using administrative credentials that allow software installation. Install the application. Run the installer for the application on the Citrix server. Follow the installation prompts. If possible, choose a custom installation to configure specific settings suitable for multi-user environments. Configure application settings. After installation, configure the application settings as needed. This might include license activation, database connections, or any specific configurations required by your organization. Test the application. Once installed and configured, test the application to ensure it functions correctly within the Citrix environment. Check for any compatibility issues or performance concerns that may arise. Publish the application. Use Citrix Studio or Citrix App Center, depending on your Citrix environment version, to publish the application. Configure access permissions and settings for users or groups who will access the application through Citrix. Update Citrix policies if needed. Adjust Citrix policies if specific configurations are required for the newly installed application. For example, if the application needs specific printer settings or folder redirection. Document the installation. Document the installation process, including any specific configurations or troubleshooting steps taken. This documentation helps in future maintenance and troubleshooting. Monitor performance. Keep an eye on server performance after installation to ensure the new application does not adversely affect other applications or users. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular updates and maintenance for the installed applications and the Citrix environment to ensure security and performance. Troubleshooting common issues with Citrix Server. Slow performance. Check server resources, ensure CPU, memory, and disk usage on the Citrix server are within acceptable limits. Review Citrix policies, adjust policies related to session limits, bandwidth, and graphics performance. Network analysis. Use tools like Citrix Director to analyze network latency and bandwidth issues. Connection issues. Client connectivity. Verify clients can reach the Citrix server and resolve DNS correctly. Firewall settings. Ensure necessary ports like 1494, 2598 are open between clients and the Citrix server. SSL certificates. Check if SSL certificates are valid and correctly configured on the server. Application launch problems. Application compatibility. Ensure applications are compatible with the Citrix environment and are properly installed. Check Citrix Receiver. Update or reinstall Citrix Receiver on client machines. Logs and Event Viewer. Check Citrix and Windows event logs for any relevant error messages. Authentication issues. Active Directory integration. Verify AD credentials and permissions for users accessing Citrix applications. Single sign-on. SSO. Ensure SSO configurations are correctly set up and functioning. Authentication methods. Review authentication methods configured in Citrix environment. Example, LDAP, SAML. Printing problems. Printer driver compatibility. Ensure printer drivers are compatible with the Citrix environment. Session printer policies. Check Citrix policies related to printer mapping and driver installation. Print spooler service. Restart the print spooler service on the Citrix server and client machines if necessary. Session disconnects. Network stability. Verify network stability and latency between client machines and the Citrix server. Session timeout settings. Adjust session timeout settings in Citrix policies if sessions are disconnecting prematurely. Load balancing. Check load balancing configurations if multiple Citrix servers are deployed. SSL VPN integration. VPN configuration. Ensure VPN settings, if used, Do not interfere with Citrix connectivity. SSL VPN logs. Check VPN logs for any issues related to connections with Citrix servers. What is Citrix Server and how does it work? Remote access. Citrix Server allows users to access applications and desktops remotely from any location, using various devices such as desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This capability is particularly useful for organizations with distributed teams or employees who need access to corporate resources while working outside the office. Virtualization. Citrix Server leverages virtualization technologies to create virtual instances of applications and desktop environments. These virtual instances can be hosted on centralized servers within the organization's data center or in the cloud. Users interact with these virtual instances as if they were running locally on their devices, providing a seamless and consistent user experience. Centralized management. IT administrators can centrally manage and deploy applications and desktops using Citrix Server. This includes tasks such as provisioning virtual instances, setting access policies, monitoring performance, and applying updates. Centralized management simplifies administration and ensures consistency across the organization's computing environment. Enhanced security. Citrix Server enhances security by keeping sensitive data and applications centralized within the organization's secure data center or cloud environment. This reduces the risk of data loss or unauthorized access compared to traditional distributed computing models. Optimized performance. By offloading computing tasks to centralized servers, Citrix Server can improve performance for end users, even on less powerful devices. It achieves this through technologies like session virtualization and application streaming, where only necessary data is transmitted over the network, optimizing bandwidth usage. Scalability. Citrix Server is designed to scale according to the organization's needs, accommodating fluctuating demand for computing resources. This scalability is particularly beneficial for businesses experiencing growth or seasonal variations in workload. Support for hybrid cloud. Citrix Server supports deployment both in on-premises data centers and in public or private clouds. This flexibility allows organizations to adopt a hybrid cloud strategy, leveraging the benefits of both environments while maintaining control over their computing infrastructure. How does Citrix Server enhance remote access and mobility? Citrix Server enhances remote access and mobility primarily through its virtualization and application delivery capabilities. Here are several ways Citrix achieves this. Centralized application delivery. Citrix Server, often used with Citrix virtual apps and desktops, allows organizations to host applications and desktops centrally on servers within the corporate network or cloud. Users can access these applications remotely from any location using various devices, laptops, tablets, smartphones, via an internet connection. Virtualization technology. Citrix leverages virtualization to create isolated instances of desktops and applications. This enables efficient use of resources and ensures that users have a consistent experience regardless of their device's operating system or specifications. Optimized user experience. Citrix employs technologies like HDX, high-definition user experience, to optimize the delivery of graphics, multimedia, and USB peripherals over the network. This enhances the user experience by providing near-native performance for applications and desktops accessed remotely. Security and control. Citrix Server enhances security by keeping data and applications centralized within the corporate network or cloud environment. This reduces the risk of data loss or breaches associated with remote access, as data does not reside on endpoint devices. Mobility support. Citrix supports mobility by enabling access to applications and desktops from any location with an internet connection. This flexibility allows employees to work remotely, access resources on the go, and collaborate effectively without being tied to a specific physical location. Scalability and flexibility. Citrix Server offers scalability to accommodate changing business needs. Organizations can easily scale up or down based on demand, deploy applications rapidly, and provide consistent access to users regardless of fluctuations in workload or user base size. Management and administration. Citrix provides centralized management tools that simplify administration tasks such as application deployment, updates, and user access control. IT administrators can efficiently manage and monitor the environment, ensuring high availability and performance. How does Citrix Server compare to other remote access solutions? Citrix Server, specifically referring to Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, formerly XCN App and XCN Desktop, is a prominent remote access solution known for its virtualization capabilities and application delivery. Here's how it generally compares to other remote access solutions. Virtualization and application delivery. Citrix is known for its robust virtualization capabilities, allowing users to access applications and desktops remotely. It provides a seamless experience for users accessing complex applications that require high performance and security. Performance. Citrix is designed to optimize performance over remote connections, offering features like session reliability and bandwidth control. This ensures that even graphics-intensive applications can be delivered effectively. Scalability. Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops can scale to accommodate large numbers of users across different locations. It supports various deployment scenarios, including on-premises, cloud, or hybrid environments. Security. Citrix emphasizes security with features like granular access controls, encryption of data in transit, and secure access gateways. It provides IT administrators with tools to manage and monitor access securely. Cost. Citrix solutions can be relatively expensive compared to simpler remote access solutions due to their comprehensive feature set and scalability options. Licensing costs can vary depending on the deployment model and features required. User experience. Citrix strives to offer a seamless user experience with features like session persistence, allowing users to resume sessions from different devices, HDX technology for multimedia redirection, and support for various client devices. Management. Citrix offers extensive management capabilities through its Citrix Studio and Citrix Director consoles. These tools provide administrators with insights into user sessions, performance monitoring, and resource allocation. Integration. Citrix integrates with other enterprise systems and technologies, allowing organizations to leverage existing investments in infrastructure and applications. Comparing Citrix with other solutions such as VMware Horizon, Microsoft Remote Desktop Services, RDS, or cloud-based solutions like Amazon Workspaces or Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop, formerly Windows Virtual Desktop, involves assessing factors like cost, scalability, integration capabilities, and specific features required for the organization's remote access needs. How can Citrix Server optimize resource utilization in IT infrastructure? Centralized management. Citrix Server allows for centralized management of applications and desktops. This reduces the overhead of managing individual desktops and applications on each client device, thereby optimizing administrative resources. Server consolidation. By hosting applications and desktops on Citrix servers, organizations can consolidate their server infrastructure. This consolidation can lead to better utilization of server resources such as CPU, memory, and storage, as multiple virtualized environments can run on fewer physical servers. Load balancing. Citrix Server employs load balancing techniques to distribute user sessions evenly across multiple servers. This ensures that no single server is overloaded while others are underutilized, optimizing resource allocation. Resource allocation policies. Administrators can set policies to allocate resources dynamically based on user demands. For example, more CPU and memory can be allocated during peak usage times, while scaling down during off-peak hours, ensuring efficient resource utilization. Session management. Citrix Server manages user sessions efficiently. Sessions can be suspended or terminated automatically when idle, freeing up resources for other users or applications. Virtualization benefits. Citrix Server leverages virtualization technologies such as Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, VDI, and Application Virtualization. These technologies optimize resource usage by allowing multiple users to share a single instance of an application or desktop, reducing the overall hardware requirements. Optimized network traffic. Citrix Server optimizes network traffic by compressing data and transmitting only screen updates, rather than transmitting entire desktops or applications. This reduces bandwidth consumption and enhances performance, especially over WAN connections. Resource monitoring and reporting. Citrix Server provides tools for monitoring resource usage across servers, applications, and desktops. Administrators can analyze usage patterns and optimize resources based on real-time data and historical trends. Scalability. Citrix Server is designed to scale horizontally, adding more servers, and vertically, upgrading server resources to accommodate growing user demands. This scalability ensures that resources are utilized optimally without compromising performance. What are the licensing options and costs associated with Citrix Server? Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, formerly XCN App and XCN Desktop. User device licensing. Citrix offers concurrent user and device licensing models. The cost can vary significantly depending on whether you choose user-based or device-based licensing. Subscription. Citrix also provides subscription-based licensing options, typically billed annually. Citrix Gateway, formerly Netscaler Gateway. Concurrent user licensing, similar to virtual apps and desktops, Citrix Gateway is often licensed on a concurrent user basis. Subscription, annual subscription models are available for Citrix Gateway. Citrix Hypervisor, formerly Xcien Server. Per socket licensing, Citrix Hypervisor is licensed per socket, physical CPU socket in the server hardware. Citrix Endpoint Management, formerly Xcien Mobile. User device licensing. Licensing can be based on the number of users or devices managed by the system. Citrix ADC, Application Delivery Controller. Hardware and virtual appliances, licensing can vary based on the type and size of the ADC appliance being used. Citrix Workspace. Subscription. Citrix Workspace provides a unified interface for accessing all Citrix applications and desktops. Licensing can be part of a subscription bundle that includes other Citrix products. Costs. Varies by product. Costs can range widely depending on the product, deployment size, and specific licensing model chosen. Concurrent users versus named users, perpetual versus subscription. Consultation needed for accurate pricing, especially for larger deployments or specific requirements. It's advisable to contact Citrix or a certified Citrix partner for a quote tailored to your needs. Additional considerations. Support and maintenance, often bundled with licensing, providing access to updates and technical support. Cloud options. Citrix also offers cloud-hosted versions of some products, which may have different pricing models. Why choose ProExcellency for Citrix Server online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Citrix Server online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise in Citrix technologies. ProExcellency specializes in Citrix Server training, ensuring they have deep knowledge and experience in delivering effective learning experiences specifically tailored to Citrix technologies. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs typically cover a wide range of topics related to Citrix Server, from basic to advanced concepts. This ensures that learners receive a thorough understanding of the subject matter. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency often emphasizes practical, hands-on learning experiences. This approach allows participants to not only understand theoretical concepts but also gain practical skills that are directly applicable in real-world scenarios. Experienced instructors. The quality of instructors at ProExcellency is crucial. They often have industry experience and certifications in Citrix technologies, enabling them to provide insights and context that go beyond just academic knowledge. Flexible learning options. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of scheduling and accessibility. Learners can typically access course materials and participate in sessions from anywhere with an internet connection, accommodating different schedules and time zones. Certification preparation. If certification is a goal, ProExcellency often prepares participants for Citrix certifications through their training programs. This can be advantageous for career advancement and demonstrating expertise in Citrix technologies. Reputation and reviews. Checking reviews and testimonials from past participants can give insights into the effectiveness and quality of ProExcellency's training programs. A positive reputation can instill confidence in choosing their services. Thank you.